Hello, I am. Oh fuck. Okay,
Your
hello.
character has freckles.
Motherfucker! Okay, are you done spitting in your water bottle?
Yes.
Sit. You're nasty.
Hey, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Have you heard of our Lord and Savior Little Nas X? Sir,
Hello?
sir, you fell asleep. Sir, this is a church. You fell asleep in. Sir, hello, sir. Oh well.
I
I
think
think he's dead.
I was gonna say the same thing. I think he died. Did he? Oh look
Okay,
it!
get the pole ready.
It's our father.
I love psychological horror games.
Yes, me too.
And how did you not notice that in the beginning?
Because I'm dumb.
Repeating.
Hi, I'm Andre. Have you met me? No,
Dumb.
I don't like the darkness. Are you a boom? Eat Okay.
Did you just say pee pee?
No, I said eat peen. No.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Did jump scare you?
Yeah.
Where are you?
I'm
Are
here.
you behind?
And-
Yeah.
Did you just try to mimic the stairs?
Ah, Mrs.
Ah!
Pleased to make your acquaintance.
Yeah.
My name.
I can't see at all. Is
Baby.
that like a flashlight or something?
Oh god, that's not scary.
See, shit.
No! No! No. Miss Filcher, I swear I come in peace. I am.
Pooping myself?
Pooping. Nice.
Thank you. Oop.
Oh, I screamed and burped at the same time. I love that for me.
We gotta be careful here, they're screaming as well.
No. No.
I love how the guy said these are windows that used to be here.
No. Eat giant peen. Motherfuckers.
I'm sorry, I want you to experience that too, since you're the one recording.
Motherfucker on the joystick.
Baby,
Yeah?
you good?
Yeah, I'm good. I can't go any further.
Oh, how I said, why can't you go anywhere? And then 3 360 to turn around. One of them.
I don't bully. I never bully. I am anti-bullying. These look a little not very healthy. Oh. Why is there a body back in here all of a sudden?
I don't know. There's a body back here.
No shit, I just said that.
Don't squeak at me, sir.
I can squeak whenever I want to. No, just kidding. My name is Alicia. Alicia, no one liked me, but you, Sebastian, you're mine.
Where are you, baby?
Oh my god.
How about you, Sebastian? Welcome to our channel. I am Steven and you are Andrea.
Yeah.